Hey YouTube, hello to all 3 of my subscribers. Got another unboxing today for a slightly different product. We'll be looking at the JDS Labs Atom desktop amplifier. Seems like a pretty cool amp. I'm no audiophile by any means, so I won't be including a sound test or anything like that, but once I have it set up, I might do a follow-up video on how it sounds, how it looks, how the whole setup is. I don't know yet. I'll play it by ear. But amplifier itself was only $100 from the JDS website. It does come with a pretty gigantic power supply, which was in its own box right here. Nice red, black, and white contrast there. 3 most powerful colors. So always good to see. But let's dive right into it. So nice cardboard box. It's not that cheap cardboard. This is some good quality cardboard we got here. You can see the cover there. It's pretty thin. They got the Atom model label there on the side, JDS Labs on the other side, and I like this tagline: "Sound is Science, SAS." So pretty sweet. Diving right in. This is good quality cardboard. I'll tell you that. The packaging is tight. Pulling that out of here definitely took a little bit of force. So not a flimsy cardboard box by any means. Now, there aren't too many unboxing videos of this one on YouTube, and that's probably why, honestly, I think I saw another reviewer where they said there's not much in here. It's really just the actual Atom amp, an instruction card here. Boom. My JDS Labs amps was carefully inspected by stamp. For product instructions, visit jdslabs.com/instructions. So, it's honestly pretty light. But that's because they put all the research and development budget into the actual internals here. So I've heard very good things about the quality, the sound quality, the actual components that are used, and you know, they had to save money elsewhere. So that's the shell, which is plastic, and obviously the packaging. But it's still good quality cardboard, so I don't want to knock them on that. I honestly prefer the internals to be solid, even though I'm not an audiophile. I do like a quality product every now and then, you know. It's a pretty sweet looking rectangular prism here. So you can see you got the Atom amp headphone jack here on the left. It's the big boy. You got a nice volume knob here. It does the little click to turn on. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh yeah, it's nice. That's nice. Turning that volume knob all the way, that feels pretty solid. Supposedly there's a ring of light around there as well. You got another switch here for gain. I believe it's low gain and high gain. I don't know if it's in or out. We'll figure that out. And you've got an input button here. Input switch, I believe, controls the back here because you've got 3.5 millimeter headphone in, or TRS in, and you've got RCA out and RCA in, left and right channel for both of those. As well as it's a 16 volt alternating current power adapter. That's the big boy right here in the red box, which will get its own little mini unboxing featurette in this video. So another great cardboard box. I love the red. You can see it's a 16 volt alternating current power adapter. Live in the US, 110 volts, 120 volts. That's your mains right there. No other labels on the box. It would have been cool to see "Sound is a Science" somewhere else on here, but you know, you got to save that cash. I'm sure the red cardboard was a little pricier than the black cardboard, so had to skimp on the decals, which is fair. Not knocking JDS here. I honestly have no idea what I'm talking about, so I just enjoy a good unboxing experience and a good sound quality product, even though I can't really gauge them properly. But that's beside the fact. We're all here to learn. All right. Another cardboard box within the cardboard box. This one is flimsy cardboard. This is just your regular run-of-the-mill shitty paper cardboard type thing. I'm sure it has a proper name. I'll look it up after the fact. If one of my 3 subscribers knows the name, feel free to jump in on the comments there. But this thing's huge. This thing is huge. Class 2 power supply, 16 volts. It's a big one for sure. Nice little connector here at the end. The quality of the cable feels pretty good so far. And you've got this little you know, it's sandwich bread wrapper here, which is fair. Try to save those, try to reuse them in some kind of way, but we'll see. We'll see if don't end up tossing it. But anyways, that's been it. That's been the unboxing experience here for the JDS Labs Atom. Great product. Excited to check it out, and we'll see how it sounds.